Good morning, children. Good morning, ma'am. Today I have explained you the topic of collective noun, the noun which shows collection. Okay, there are some words which are used to show the collection. So these are known as collective noun. As I have told you earlier, also, what is phrase? The group of word which makes a sense but not the complete sense are known as phrase. So today we are doing one activity to explain you the collective phrase as well as collective noun. So again, first, should I tell in English and you will be telling in Hindi? Should I go with this way? Okay. A heap of rubbish, a bundle of sticks, a flight of birds, a herd of swine, a galaxy of stars, a bunch of keys, a group of islands. Why the voice is not coming? There are so many of students sitting and I am not getting the voice from all. A flock of sheep, river, a crowd of people, a gang of laborers, a bouquet of flowers, a troop of horses, a range of cliffs, चोटियों की टुकड़ी. Okay. Next is a pack of horns, शिकारी कुत्तों का झुंड. A chain of mountains, a bunch of grape, a herd of cattle, a pair of shoes, a grove of trees, a regiment of soldiers, a series of events, a herd of deer, a heap of stones or sand. यहाँ मैंने बता दिया अगर स्टोन होगा तो आप ये भी बोल सकते हो कि हीप ऑफ स्टोन, और अगर बजरी का ढेर है तो हीप ऑफ सैंड, और अगर चिकने वाले पत्थर हैं जो समुद्र के पास मिलते हैं तो आप बोलोगे अ हीप ऑफ पेबल्स. अ हाइव ऑफ बीज, अ फ्लीट ऑफ शिप्स, a constellation of stars, a bevy of girls. Okay, so you can see that I have explained everything. I will take test. I will ask. I will go with Hindi. You will be telling English. I will going with English. You will be telling Hindi. Or in case other activity we can go with, I can make you write both English and Hindi. That means I can ask you to write 28